Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. I just was going to show you what I normally do a lot of times. Cook myself up a quick meal. And so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to kick over here. And I'm going to start my toast first. It's always important to get the toast going first, because what happens is the eggs cook way faster than the toast. And I have to make sure that I give that enough extra time for that to do what we need it to do. So, go ahead and we'll get this started now. So this video will be going up at 7 o'clock on Monday, but I just got done with my live stream, and so I wanted to have some supper now, so that's why I am cooking at this point in time. So today, if you watch the live stream, which for Sunday night, I got 3 eggs today, right? So there are my 3 eggs, and so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cook these up. This butter all over the pan. Alright. So here's the 3 eggs that I got today. So let me actually just... Then I have a bag up here that I'm putting my eggshells in. And what that's going to end up doing, that's my compost bag. So any greens or eggshells, or if I'm cutting up celery or whatever, you know, or vegetables of any sort, those ones all go in this bag. And then I'll take that bag out and I'll put that into the garden area. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper, and that. Actually, we're going to grab one more egg. I'm going to grab one more egg here because I want one more egg. There we go. And so we got that cooking now. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I will show you that. There's that cooking. So shortly we will have what I've been doing lately, honestly, is I've been doing about 5 eggs at a time. The hens are laying very, very well, and so the we're just trying to get things squared away here. Let these puppies cook up. Hopefully the toast will be ready here in a moment. So we'll take this plate over here. And I'm going to get ready to get the toast all ready to get buttered. Kind of low key. It's just me. So I don't really do any major fancy meals, and so that's why I just kind of do my thing, and it works out really well for me. I like eggs, I like toast, so I will show you in a second. Being from New York, there's a certain kind of white bread that I like to have. It's an Italian bread. And I find it to be really, really good. Your normal store-bought white bread a lot of times is garbage, in my opinion. So if you have, you know, that opportunity to get, you know, good bread, I would definitely recommend getting it. show you that in a second. Not a lot of room in the camper, to be honest with you. But so this is the white bread that I get. No product endorsement, just that's the bread that I like to get. So that's the white bread that I get. It's Italian bread, and you can get it at Walmart, Dollar General. You know, they all have it, so it's not a bad thing. Give this just another minute here to cook up. And then I'm going to sit down and I am going to have some eggs. So we'll show you this in just a moment. So people always ask me, well, you know, what do you cook? What do you eat? And so I'm like, well, I'll just make a quick video here showing you what my normal routine is, and that's I do a lot of eggs. In this case, it's sunny side up because I like to dip my eggs. So it just works out. I enjoy it. Getting fresh eggs every day from the hens, you can't beat that. It is absolutely the best. And so I'm going to turn this off. So I will show you this here in a second. So there's my delicious meal. I will definitely add a little more salt on it because I like my salt. Alright. And that's what I'm having. So, anyway guys, what do we add here? I am going to go ahead and jump off. I'm going to sit down, and there's Miss Hella going, what's going on? We having eggs? Because she knows she gets her part. So anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off. Remember, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we figure that one out, we will be in much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one stopping you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. Have a great night, and I will see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.